Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will take you guys on how to apply for financial aid in Coursera with just your mobile phone. Step-by-step guide on how you can apply for Coursera financial aid with just your mobile phone. You don't need a laptop, you don't need a desktop. All you need is just a mobile phone, be it Android or an iPhone. So guys, before we move forward, if today is your first time in joining my channel, I would love you to please click on the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new video like this. So let's move forward. So if today is your first time in hearing Coursera, or you want to apply for financial aid in Coursera, I would like us to know what Coursera is. Coursera is a global platform for online learning and career development that offers anyone, anywhere, access to online courses and degrees from leading universities and companies. So, guys, let's move forward. So, I would like us, if you want to apply for this course, if you want to take this course, I want to apply for Coursera, any courses in Coursera, I will recommend you use Chrome or Firefox. Those two browsers are my best browsers. So, but today I'll be going with Chrome. So, guys, now if you type in Coursera into your browser, Cousera into your browser and click on it, it's going to display the link. It's going to show you a link to click. Then click the link and it's going to take you to this page. It's going to take you to this page. This is the Coursera page that is going to take you to. So if you haven't joined before, if you don't have an account with Coursera before, I would like you to click join for free. Click join for free, and it's going to take you to the sign up page where you'll be asked to fill in your full name, your email address, and your password. But I will like you use this method. Continue with Google. Don't continue with Facebook. And also, before you continue with Google, I would like you to create a separate account. You create a new account with your name. Make sure that account is an account that goes along with your name, not just a random account, a account that goes your full name, because that name is going to be on your certificate. Exactly, that name is going to be on your certificate when you will be given certificate. So I will go on with continue with Google, and I'll click on Google, and I'll be taken to where a page where I will select my Google account. Go with, so I'll go with just this one, Goody High Tech. That's my email. So you'll be redirected to a page. So this is the page. Yes, this is Coursera page. So welcome to Coursera dashboard. Welcome to Coursera. So now they said welcome to Coursera Goody High Tech. Get personalized recommendations based on your background. So you'll be asked to fill in some details like your workspace, your work experience, that's the occupation. You put in your occupation there, your experience level, your employer, if you currently work there, then your education degree, bachelor, anyone, just filling it there, then university, then field or major, the field you are in. So if you are a student, you can click I'm currently a student. Doesn't matter. They don't know if you are a student or you're not a student. Doesn't matter. All you just need to do is just fill in. You can fill in anything here. Doesn't matter. Your certificate will not display if you are a student or not. So you will not be accepted or rejected if you are a student or not. So don't be scared. Just fill in anything you want to fill in here, and or you continue or you just skip. So for me, I'm going to skip this, and it's going to display this. So now tell us about yourself. You can just type in anything here, save to your profile. That's going to save to your profile. So this is the home, and this is the in progress. In case you started the course, so you can check the progress of your course here in progress. So let's go to home. So get started with these free courses. So if you want to apply for any courses, you should check if the course have a financial aid application. If a course doesn't have financial aid application, you'll be asked to pay for it. So today I'll be going with Google Analytics. I'll be going with Google Analytics. Okay, it's already there. Display the Google Data Analytics, Google Cybersecurity, Google Project Management. So these three are the most popular specializations. So I will go with Google Data Analytics. So it's going to take me to here. So you can see it said enroll for free. Try for free. Enroll to start your 7-day full access free trial. Okay, so the courses that are here, we have up to 8 courses or so. You can check them. Okay, number one is foundation data everywhere. Ask questions to make data-driven decisions. Prepare data for exploration. Process data from dirty to clean. Analyze data to answer questions. Share data through the art of visualization. Data analysis with arrow programming. Google Data Analytics capstone. Complete a case study. This is the last course in data analytics. So guys, and these courses these courses that are here, they are each courses. You are not going to apply for financial aid for all the courses. No, it's just one course at a time. Maybe you want to start a course. You want to start with foundation data everywhere. You click on it. Once you click on it, you apply for financial aid for foundation data everywhere. Then when you are done with this course, then you you will now proceed to another. You apply for another financial aid for ask questions to make data-driven decisions. That is the course two, the second course. You apply for financial aid separately with the same process I'm going to show you here. The same process, the same step I'm going to show you here for application of financial aid for the course. So you're going to click enroll for free. Okay. Okay, the rule for free, you can look at it showing start free trial. I won't advise you to click on start free trial. So if you can see, they said you have to pay $14 USSD per month to continue learning after trial ends. Now, you have to check if there is a financial aid available. For you to see it, you can look at this financial aid available close to this enroll for free. It's close to this enroll for free, or you can check, you can see already enrolled 1,677,926 already enrolled. So at the top, you can see financial aid available. Financial aid meaning there is a financial aid that is available for this course. So you are good to go. So what you're going to do is to click on this financial aid. Click on it for the financial aid, then you click next. So you're going to show you this. Application can take up to 16 days to be reviewed. Yeah, they have to, because they have a lot of people that are applying for financial aid. So they have to take their time to review them one by one. So you have to click on continue to the application, then it's going to take you right there. Yes, exactly. So tell us about yourself. Tell us about yourself. What's your highest level of education? You have to fill it here. You can fill in anything. College degree, high school, some college. So I would advise you can go with a college degree. So what's your annual income? Your annual income should be, I said, you can click in earn in dollars, anything. Then annual income should be zero. You can put in zero there. I will advise you put in zero in your annual income. So what's your employment status? Employment status should be a student or unemployed. A student, you can go with a student or unemployed. So I will advise you go with a student. So secondly, why are you applying for financial aid? Why are you applying for financial aid? Many students fail this response. Many students find it hard to type in this response. So I'm going to input a link that will take you to a page where you see why are you applying for financial aid, where I wrote down the reason I'm applying for this financial aid. You can copy and make some adjustments, maybe the name and also any other things that are there. Just make some adjustments and make sure it is above 150 word, not below. You because if it is below, the minimum should be 150. If it is below 150, you will not be accepted. So it should be 150 words or above. 150 words or above. So if it is not 150 words, if it's not up to 150 words, you will not be accepted. So guys, like I said, I'm going to input a link. I'm going to input a link in description below. So check it and click on it and copy, make some editing and paste here. So I already copied and pasted my reason why I'm applying for financial aid. I wrote it somewhere, so I just copied and pasted it here. So as you can see, it is up to 150 words. When it is not up to, you will not get a green check mark here. So you click on next. So you'll be asked just a few more questions. How much can you pay for your selected course? You just have to change this. You just have to throw it to zero. Straight to zero USD. So after you have changed this after you have moved it to 0 USD, scroll down and you also be asked, how will your selected course help with your goals? How will your selected course help with your goals? So I also copy and I also wrote down my reasons. So I'll just copy it and paste it here. So also I'll also drop a link where you can also get the reason why this course can help with your goals. What you just have to do is make some edits and copy and paste it here. So I'll just paste in my reason. So as you can see, I already got a green mark check here, meaning it's up to 150 words. So now what you have to do is scroll down, click on terms and conditions, click on I commit to finishing my courses, my Coursera course, sorry. So now please type in the following sentence. I agree to the terms above. What you just have to do is just to copy and paste this below. I agree to the terms above and paste here. I agree to the terms above and click on I am not a robot. So you get a green mark check, meaning you are not a robot. Then you click on review. As you can see, thanks for completing your application. Requested courses. This is the course you apply for. So you can see background information complete, application questions complete. Um, we already filling those things and they have been complete. In case you want to make some edits, maybe those things are not correct, your background information, you can edit it here. Your application questions, you can edit it here. So we'll just go ahead and clicking submit application. Submit application. Now we have been taken to this page. Success. We have received your application. We have received your financial aid application for financial data everywhere. We will let you know the outcome of your application through email and in-app message by July 14th, 2023. If you are ready to start learning right away, you can audit the course to preview the course materials for free. I will not advise you to audit this course. I will advise you should wait because you will receive a message in your email. The email you used to create in Coursera, email you used to apply, you keep on checking on July 14th or before July 14th, maybe 13th, you check. But normally, it normally comes on July 14th. Check your email. You will receive an email. Congratulations if you have been accepted. If you are not being accepted, you will be given the reason why you are not being accepted, and you can also make changes and apply again. But I assure you, with this process, you'll be accepted one time. So you just click on back to home. That's all. So this is the message that you're going to receive on your email. Financial aid application received. You will get this message on your email after you have submitted your application. And also, this is the message that is going to appear in your email when your application is being approved. This is the message you will see when your application is being approved. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, hit the notification button, subscribe to my channel for content like this. See you in my next video. Bye.